Hey everyone, I promised you an economic update this morning. I got a ton of data from Goldman Sachs we just went through. I took massive notes, so bear with me. I'm going to read a little bit, but there were so many great points that I want to highlight. Sellers, I especially want you to listen and pay attention, okay? This is kind of big, icky stuff right now. Yes, unemployment's low. Mortgage rates are higher than they've been in the last 25 years, okay? 44% of consumers feel that it's a bad time to buy. 70% said that a year ago, so we've improved, but still half of the people in America don't think it's a good time to buy a house. Affordability is at a record low. 34% of people say they'll rent if they move. These people don't realize the appreciation value and the tax benefits, but that's kind of scary. If people move, they're deciding to rent instead of buy. Mortgage applications are at an all-time low. U.S. demographics, this is interesting. The bulk of the demographic age in America is between 33 and 35 years old. Home buyer traffic is at historic lows right now. So those of you who have no visitors at your open house, no showings, it's silent, you are not alone. That is what's going on everywhere because home buyer traffic is at a historic low. The median home buyer age right now, you guys, is 56 years old. The median first-time buyer age is 38. I don't know about you, but what age did you buy your first house? 38 is crazy to me. Right now, 40% of the U.S. homes don't have a mortgage. This could be an opportunity for you guys who have a ton of equity in your home to go buy investment properties, or you could offer seller financing on your home at a slightly lower rate than our mortgage rates to attract more buyers. So definitely something to think about there. $35 trillion is locked up in residential equity right now. You guys should be buying investment properties with that equity. New construction is almost as high as it was in 2009. Now, talking about new construction, you guys know that I am cautious and I have a new construction buyer beware guide, but they are offering huge concessions and extremely low locked in financing interest rates. So, I mean, I've been seeing like 2.99, like crazy low interest rates. So if you are thinking of buying, we should explore new construction, but please talk to me before you do that because there's a lot of risk there. Okay, sellers, right now, we talked about how homebuyer traffic is at a historic low, mortgage rates are at a historic high, all of that stuff, right? So not good for sellers. But what we also talked about was 27% of homes are selling at or above the list price. That sounds exciting, right? But what that means is 73% of homes listed right now are selling below their list price. So when I tell you guys price or patience is crucial, price is very crucial right now. If you want to move, we need to be very strategic with pricing. We need to have built-in price reductions. And you need to realize that 73% of homes on the market are selling below their list price. So there's my little economic update that I promised you guys. Like I said, I took a ton of notes. I went through that really quickly, but reach out to me if you have specific questions and we'll touch base. Take care.